Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing raw apple cider vinegar. Use 2 tablespoons diluted in 250 ml water before a meal so you get blood sugar control benefits. Once mixed, drink slowly to avoid reflux and tooth damage. Make sure to log your weight and waste in cm for a baseline and note daily calories so you can separate ACV effects from diet changes. You want consistent timing, 15-30 minutes before a main meal, so the process starts producing steady appetite and metabolic signals. Once you're committed, use ACV 1 to 2 times daily, typically before breakfast and or dinner, to reduce post-meal glucose spikes and appetite. Pair this with higher protein, higher fiber meals. Those amplify satiety so you naturally eat fewer calories. Make sure to space ACV from medications and check potassium if you use it long-term. ACV can affect electrolytes. Keep drinking water and maintain modest caloric deficit. The vinegar supports fat loss mechanisms, but does not replace. To finish, continue the routine for 8-12 weeks and reassess progress weekly using waist and weight measurements. This gives time for meaningful change. If you get heartburn, reduce to 0. 5 tablespoons or take the drink with a meal. If tooth sensitivity appears, use a straw and rinse after. Make sure to consult a clinician if you have low potassium signs, worsening reflux, or if you take drugs that interact with acid load. Safety first, because ACV helps but must be used correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.